Hello dear all PUC second year statistics students. Here is a course being launched for only rupees 47. All the 14 question papers, complete solution videos. You will be getting completely solved PDFs of all these question papers, and till your annual examination based on all these model question papers, any kind of doubt clarification sessions also. Passing package for annual examination 2026 in the subject statistics only for rupees 99. As the name itself says, mission possible for 2026 PU2 in the subject statistics. The aspirants of high scoring 80 on 80 in the theory annual examination second PUC only for 99 rupees. Hello dear all PUC second year statistics students. Welcome back to Statistics by Prasanna Joshi. I am your statistics scoring partner standing before you with the teaching experience of 15 years and second PUC annual examination board valuation 7 years experience. Today I want to announce few courses which are very much affordable. Don't miss, watch complete video. Already second PUC final examination timetable is announced alongside some model question papers as well as your annual examination question papers of previous years have been already uploaded. Here is those set of question papers list. Model question papers of 2025 and 26, there are 5 model question papers given. For 2025 and 24, 3 model question papers were already given, and for annual examination 2024, I mean your super senior batch, annual exam 1, 2 and 3, they have written 3 exams. Those question papers are there with us, and your senior students in 2025, they too have already written 3 annual examination question papers. Those 3 question papers are also there. So totally we are having 14 question papers in our hand for the perfect preparation for annual examination 2026. If you are searching for the complete solution videos and the PDF of all these question papers, here your search is an end. Here is a course being launched for only rupees 47. Your perfect preparation of 2025-26 statistics. What all will be included in this particular course? As it is already mentioned, all the 14 question papers, complete solution videos, alongside you will be getting completely solved PDFs of all these question papers, and till your annual examination based on all these model question papers, any kind of doubt clarification sessions also. What's the cost? Only at 47 rupees. Why it's kept only 47 rupees? It must be affordable for each and every student. All the students should get the complete benefit of this particular course. That's the reason only at 47 rupees this course is being launched. If you are of the opinion you are not searching for any of all those 14 question paper solving workshop, but if you are searching for passing package for annual examination 2026 in the subject statistics, here again your search is an end. Only for rupees 99 we are launching a passing package for annual examination 2026. As the name itself says, mission possible for 2026 PU2 in the subject statistics includes complete passing package for annual examination only at the cost rupees 99. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, smart study plan for passing and scoring. Here you are not getting only for passing but sufficiently scoring package also. Exactly exam oriented study materials will be provided to you, and guaranteed questions for the annual examination you will be able to get. Exam focused guidance will be there till the end. Daily practice questions will be given so that you can be in touch with the subject. Till the end of your examination you will get personal mentorship and live doubt clarification sessions till your annual examination is completed. To remind you, all these facilities are there only for 99 rupees, dear all statistics students of second PUC. So don't you feel that this course has to be grabbed as early as possible? And if you are of the opinion we are not even searching for passing package, but we are the aspirants of high scoring, that means out of out marks we want to score 80 on 80 in the theory annual examination second PUC. If you are aspiring for, if you are aspiring for 80 on 80, high scoring or out of out package is also there available for you for your annual examination 2026. Again, that course also will be only for 99 rupees. What all this course includes? Again, a smart study plan for the high scoring, that is 80 on 80 mark scoring. High scoring out of out techniques strategies will be available in this course. Exam focused guidance will be there. Personal mentorship you will have till annual examination completion. Obviously, live doubt clarification sessions also will be available till you complete your annual examination second PUC 2026. To remind you, dear all, only at 99 rupees this course is at your fingertips. So dear all statistics students, without any delay, grab all these opportunities. All the 14 question paper solving is only for 47 rupees. Complete passing package is available only for 99 rupees. High scoring 80 on 80 course is available only at 99 rupees. What you have to do? You have to contact on this particular WhatsApp number for further details how to log in and join for the course. So I feel all the statistics students who are writing annual examination second PUC 2026 must take the advantage of all these courses available for you. Let's meet you all in the courses. Till then, take care of your studies, take care of your health especially. Let's meet you in these courses. Thank you so much.